you start vacuuming, make sure the battery is fully charged. Press the power button to activate the normal mode. Normal mode will provide the longest battery life among the 3 power settings, about 30 minutes per battery, depending on the attachments you're using. Use the normal mode for light-duty cleaning on bare floors, light-duty cleaning on low-profile carpets and rugs, hand towel cleaning of the tops of furniture or counters, and for cleaning curtains and drapes with the provided accessory attachments. While in normal mode, press the plus button to switch to power mode. Power mode will provide about 9 minutes of battery life per battery. Battery life can vary depending on the type of attachments used. Use the power mode for general carpet cleaning and picking up heavier, larger debris on floors. While in power mode, press and hold the plus button for a few seconds to switch to turbo mode. It may take a moment for the vacuum mode to switch. Turbo mode uses the most energy, so it is best to use for smaller areas where heavy soil is present. Use the turbo mode for deep spot cleaning in smaller areas. Press the minus button to switch modes from turbo, down to power, then down to normal. To maintain cleaning performance, remove dust and debris from the unit and nozzles and clean the filters at least once a month or as needed. Foreign materials inside the product can cause the product to shut down during operation, generate noise, or cause poor suction. If you clean and maintain your vacuum properly, you will continue to enjoy great cleaning performance from your LG Core Zero A9 stick vacuum.